Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today we're going to be going over the Nimya stuff. I am so excited. If you guys don't know, Nimya is by NikkieTutorials and I watched her video. I was a little skeptical of the brand at first, but then it all got me and I'm going to show you guys. So we're going to try everything out today and I'm going to use everything for the next month and I'll do an updated video. So definitely subscribe if you want updates. But I mean, look at this packaging. This packaging is so flippin' cute. I'm going to go through everything to the best of my ability, but I haven't used anything. I washed my face. And I'm dying to get these products on my face. So as you guys know, one of my favorite products for putting my makeup on is a moisturizer or a priming moisturizer. I hardly ever use actual primers. One of my favorites right now is the Bad Habit multivitamin moisturizer. I love the Good Molecules priming moisturizer. One of my favorite things. So of course, I just have to try the Nimya, I want to say NikkieTutorials, Where It All Starts cream. This thing is heavy. It's huge. Like, look at it compared to my face. Next up, we have the License to Glow serum. This thing is also humongous. This thing is huge. It is so heavy, and I absolutely love the peekaboo window. I love that. And the packaging so far is amazing. And then we have the Cooling Eye Stick, which again, the packaging is amazing. And as you guys know, I have puffy eyes and dry eyes, so Cooling Eye Stick, I was like, give it to me. Then we have the Set It and Forget It setting spray. This is also a giant setting spray. This is huge. I love the matte packaging. I think that looks really cool, really sleek. I've already sprayed this and the smell of it is amazing. It's very unique for sure. I can't put my finger on what it is, but it's very unique. And then we have the Nimya fan. I love this little fan. This is super cool. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And it's like a fan. Like, do you see my hair blowing around? It has some power to this. And then it also has its little accessories to it. We have gone through all of the products. So let's start slapping it all over my face, shall we? All right, I'm gonna start off with the Glow Serum. I am super excited about this Glow Serum. It is blue. Oh, okay, the dropper is kind of angled, if you guys can see that. Interesting. I love glowing. Oh, it's so much prettier in your hand. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys. Look at it. It's blue. Oh, man. This has a similar smell to the setting spray. I didn't know how well the smell was gonna go. It's a very nice moisturizer or serum so far. It spreads pretty easily. It adds a nice glow. I haven't put it on my forehead yet, but you can tell my cheeks are pretty glowy. My skin is soaking this up. I think I waited a little too long to put some moisture back on my face after washing it. My face is just like, yeah, I just freaking applied this and I feel like it's already pretty soaked into my skin, which is crazy. All right, love the smell, love the feel. I can't really test any of the claims to it, obviously, but I wanted to do a nice fun video trying everything out with you guys. So let's try out this Instant Depuffing Cooling Stick that nurtures and hydrates stressed eyes. That sounds right up my alley. Ooh. Oh man, I'm a little bit afraid of my nails. Ugh. Why are you so difficult to get off? What are you? Oh, okay. Interesting. It looks like a glue stick. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit on. Whoa, I just put a teensy bit on my hand and it really does feel cold. Oh, how interesting. I feel like it'd be a lot colder in the fridge, but this is wild. I don't really try out a lot of like cooling products. So anything that always does like cooling, it always baffles me. I have so much extra skin around my eyes. I feel like I can't get like an even amount of product because I just have like loose skin. I really can't tell about the hydration. Like I'm putting it on and I guess my skin is just soaking it right up because like I can hardly feel it under my eyes. It feels more hydrated, but it doesn't feel like there's product under my eyes. The License to Glow serum is just a teensy bit tacky, but we're gonna go in with the Where It All Starts cream. I feel so fancy opening this up. Whoa, she is thick. It is thick. Whoa, what an interesting texture. It's like super thick and moussey from the look of it. I haven't touched it yet. I'll slap it on my face. Oh yeah, this is, oh my gosh. The smell's amazing. Now I see why Nikki was saying that she wants to get it in like candles and stuff, because this smells freaking amazing. I love this. I feel like it's giving me a little bit of like a pearlescent kind of look on my skin. Can you guys tell? It's like a teensy bit like pearlescent and like blurring. It could be in my head. I need to go over the claims again, but just right off the bat, that's what I'm noticing. I'm gonna use a bit teeny more, less product on this side. It does have that little bit of like a white cast to it when you're putting it on. Feels really, really nice. I feel like I'm gonna absolutely love this since fall and winter is approaching. This is like such a nice upgrade to the one that I was using, because I feel like the Bad Habit one is a little bit lighter weight, and with the change of seasons, this like thicker moisturizer feels pretty dang nice. Oh yeah, you can see on my hand, can you see the like pearlescentness, like glow? It has like a little bit of like, I don't want to call it glitter, but it is like a bit of like a sparkle that's on my hand. Something to keep in mind. All right, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off of camera. I'll let you guys know if there's anything that I notice with my foundation or concealer. And then we're gonna try out the setting spray and the little fan. We're gonna have a whole NikkieTutorials moment. All right, I just finished my makeup and I wanna say I did use the fan to dry my eyelash glue and I think I did a pretty good job. I'm very impressed. But now I'm gonna play around with the setting spray. It's so cute. All right, I'm just gonna spray a little bit. I need longer arms. All right, before I get any spots on my face, I'm gonna become NikkieTutorials for a second. Oh my gosh. With fanning my face after spraying the setting spray, it smells so freaking good. If she did come out with a candle or something along those lines, I am 10,000% buying it. And Fenty as well. Fenty is another brand that if they came out with a candle or something that smells like their products. Ooh. All right, let's take a look at my face. Now, I think my makeup went on pretty dang well. I wore this makeup, the same base makeup, yesterday. So I wore the Stay Naked foundation and the Stay Naked concealer, and then I used the Fenty Beauty setting powder, and everything went on pretty smoothly. My under eyes look crazy smooth. If If you guys follow my channel, y'all know that I've been using this Sunday Riley retinoid under eye cream, and so my under eyes have been super dry lately, and I'm super shocked at how like hydrated my under eyes look, and they're not puffy. I really like everything so far. I'm super excited to continue trying everything out. And if you guys want a tutorial on this look, I will be posting it to my Instagram and my TikTok. So definitely click the link down below and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But yes, I will be keeping all of the Nimya stuff in my makeup routine for the next month and see how that works. And then I'll give you guys an updated video in a month of how everything went. Let me know if you guys picked anything up. I'm super excited to see what else is gonna come from this brand. I absolutely love the packaging. I love everything so far. I love the scent. There's nothing that I dislike so far. My makeup isn't peeling off of my face. Nothing crazy like that. Let me know what you guys think.